Hello, I'm Kim Sauer at Apex 2016. I'm joined today by Brian D'Amico from Mirtec. Brian, it's great to see you. As always, yeah. And we bumped into each other, I think, in Chicago and Apex last year. And you've always got real buzz around your booth. And it's often driven by the type of offers, by the type of machines you've got on there. So let's catch up on the developments from when we last spoke and what's happened.
Well, first I thought it was my award-winning smile when people came to the booth.
I'm sure that helps. Definitely helps, but the people really come for your machines, don't they?
Yeah, okay, they do, yeah. Well, Chicago last year is when we first introduced our MB6 Omni system. So it's a full 3D AOI machine. And yeah, there is quite a buzz around our booth right now. If you remember, what we ended up doing was we aggressively marketed this machine. We wanted to have a machine that we could basically sell to the masses. 3D is a great technology. Unfortunately, the AOI systems out there, 3D AOI systems, can be 150 to 250K. And a lot of people just don't have the deep pockets to afford that technology. However, people do require that competitive edge, and we wanted to give that to not only large OEM CMs, but also mid-range and also smaller OEM CMs. So the advent of the MB6 Omni. Just to give you a little background, that machine here, what we're talking about is a machine that offers a 15 megapixel camera, which is our own camera technology. Nobody else offers it. So basically it's full multi-frequency moire for projections. So we take 32 images per location. So it's full 3D information, side view camera systems. So specification-wise, nothing can touch it. And what we did was we actually manufactured 500 of these machines, and we introduced it in September, right, at the SMTAI show. Since then, we've sold 400 of those units. So it's exactly what we wanted to do, aggressive marketing, good machine. We've gone through several evaluations against our competitors, and people have selected our equipment. It is the best cost performance system out there, which is nice to be able to say. So we've done very, very well with that. And yeah, there's been a big buzz at my booth this year, a lot of interest. Of course, we are continuing that marketing, and a lot of people are coming by looking at our technology.
Excellent. Well, I think at the time when I was interviewing you about that, I think I phrased it, it's quite controversial to be that aggressive with your pricing with a high-spec machine as well. So was it controversial? Are you getting, your competitors looking at you and saying, look, you're driving the cost down, but on the other hand, getting customers now expecting machines of yours also to be at that price level? Or do you think it's just really you're offering real good value for money?
Yeah, I'm going to go with the last on that, quite frankly. But of course, competition, the whole reason for doing this, there's several different reasons for doing it. One is, of course, we want to gain market share. That's basically it. Yes, I want to help out my customers. I also want to gain market share. I want both of us to be successful, my customers and, of course, Mirtec. Of course, there's resistance when it comes to competition. A lot of people are putting money and investing into 3D technology, and by offering, such an aggressive price on the machine, that kind of makes it difficult for them to, I guess, continue to try or want to invest in making that 3D technology, which, once again, is a good thing for Mirtec. Ultimately, what it comes down to is we want market share. We know we have very good equipment, and quite frankly, we look at it like we are helping our customers grow, and we're also helping Mirtec grow. So a little bit of controversy there, but I think it was definitely the right thing to do, and it's paid off very, very well for us. I shared with you offline before. We, of course, introduced that system at SMTAI. The last quarter of last year, Mirtec, we grew by 52%, which is insane. That's the most we've ever done. I've owned the company for 12 years now. It's the most growth I've ever had. This first quarter here is the best quarter ever. I'm going to wait to tally the numbers, but I believe we're going to be up around that same, and I'm talking at least 50% growth over last year. So that's what we wanted to do. And the customers really do love the equipment, and that's exactly what I wanted to do as well. So it's all worked out very well for Mirtec and my customers.
You're out to win the race. How fast are you going? Are you going to win?
Absolutely. Right now, I have no doubt about it. And we're talking globally, this machine is catching on. We, of course, offer other solutions as well. Semiconductor world, the lower cost solutions for looking at maybe 2D for desktop. We also have a low cost 2D inline solution. This mid-range machine that's actually list priced at 150K that we're offering for 100K, that's going to help us get to the finish line, I believe, before the others.
Excellent. Well, we'll all be there cheering you on along the way. Thank you again for your time.